Are you ready to witness the next frontier of AI? Join us as we delve into Nvidia's groundbreaking shift from powering games to employing ChatGPT. Discover how this technology leap is reshaping the boundaries of human-machine interaction. Will ChatGPT become the new standard in AI-powered communication? Let's find out. For the past 25 years, Nvidia has been a leading force in computer graphics, especially loved by gamers. Their graphics processing unit, GPUs, have dominated the market since they entered it in 1999 with the GeForce 256. Gaming alone generated over $9 billion in revenue for Nvidia last year. However, there has been a significant shift in the GPU industry recently, with artificial intelligence becoming a driving force. Recognizing AI's potential, Nvidia decided to focus on it, transforming its entire company to align with this new technology. CEO Jensen Huang understood the power of AI decades ago and dedicated the company's efforts toward developing GPUs tailored for AI applications. Now, Nvidia is reaping the rewards of this early investment, as AI is becoming a booming industry. Nvidia's GPUs, including their flagship AI chip, the A100, are crucial components for large language models like ChatGPT. While Nvidia has been successful in the AI market, they have faced challenges due to geopolitical concerns. In October, the United States implemented regulations restricting the export of advanced AI chips in China. Since China accounts for about 1/4 of Nvidia's revenue, including A100 sales, the company had to quickly adapt to comply with the new rules. Despite the obstacles, Nvidia had continued serving its customers in China while complying with the regulations.
The company went upside down to re-engineer all of our products so that it's compliant with the regulation and yet still be able to serve the commercial customers that we have in China.
At its annual GTC Developer Conference, AI will be a major focus for Nvidia. The company sees itself at the forefront of a generative AI explosion. Huang attributes their success not just to luck or foresight, but to their belief in the potential of accelerated computing. GPUs remains Nvidia's primary business, accounting for over 80% of its revenue. These powerful cards can be added to a computer's motherboard, enhance its computing capabilities, and work alongside CPUs from companies like AMD and Intel. Nvidia's influence in the AI industry is evident as tech companies try to keep up with ChatGPT. These companies proudly announce their use of Nvidia's A100 chips. Microsoft reveals that their supercomputer developed for OpenAI utilizes 10,000 of them. The computing power provided by Nvidia's products has become a valuable currency in the technology industry, and many companies are eager to increase their capacity using Nvidia solutions. During the interview, Huang showcased Nvidia's latest system, the H100, also known as Hopper, which has already begun shipping. The H100 introduced a new type of processing called the Transformer Engine. The technology, represented by the letter T in GPT, Generative Pre-trained Transformer, is designed to process large language models more efficiently. It promises faster and more cost-effective performance, enabling the advancement of language-based AI applications. Huang proudly mentioned that he delivered the world's first AI supercomputer to OpenAI, the creator of ChatGPT.
I delivered the first one of these inside an AI supercomputer to OpenAI when it was first created.
Nvidia's commitment to innovation and close collaboration with AI developers have solidified its position as a leader player in the AI revolution. Nvidia is a technology company that ranks among the world's top 10 most valuable tech companies, with a market capitalization of nearly $600 billion. It has around 26,000 employees and a new headquarters with a polygon-themed design. What sets Nvidia apart is that it still has its founder, Jensen Huang, leading the company after 30 years. Originally from Taiwan, Jensen Huang moved to the United States as a child and studied engineering at Oregon State University and Stanford. In the early 1990s, Huang and his colleagues Chris Malachowski and Curtis Preem would meet at Denny's restaurant and discuss their dreams of enhancing PCs with 3D graphics. In 1993, the trio established Nvidia in a condominium in Fremont, California. The company's name was inspired by combining NV for next version with Nvidia, the Latin word for envy. They aimed to revolutionize computing by accelerating its speed so significantly that everyone would envy their technology. The idea is reflected in the company's logo, which features a green eye symbolizing envy. During Nvidia's early years, Huang's ambitious nature and inclination toward seemingly impossible ventures put the company in financial jeopardy multiple times. However, Nvidia and AMD were the only GPU makers that survived because Nvidia fostered strong relationships with the software community and developers. Huang acknowledged that he made many mistakes throughout his career, some of which jeopardized the company's survival, especially in the early days when they were a small player competing against much larger companies. However, despite these challenges, Huang's resilience and determination have propelled Nvidia forward. One notable misstep occurrence in the early 2010s when Nvidia ventured into the smartphone market with its Tegra line of processors, but ultimately exited the space after facing difficulties. However, setbacks like these didn't deter the company from continuing to innovate. 1999, after laying off most of its workforce, Nvidia released the GeForce 256, which it claims was the world's first official GPU. This groundbreaking graphics card allowed for custom shading and lighting effects, revolutionizing the gaming industry. By 2000, Nvidia became an exclusive graphics provider for Microsoft's first Xbox, solidifying its position in the gaming market. In 2006, Nvidia made another significant leap by introducing CUDA, a software toolkit. Initially, Wall Street questioned the investment and undervalued it, but over time, people began to realize the transformative potential of CUDA in programming and its remarkable speed-ups. This breakthrough led to significant advancements in artificial intelligence when the industry started embracing it around 2016. While Nvidia has been at the forefront of AI advancements, gaming remains its primary business. In 2018, the company leveraged its expertise in AI to take a major leap in graphic technology. Nvidia introduced GeForce RTX, incorporating knowledge gained from AI research. To elevate computer graphics and video games to new heights, Nvidia reinvented itself by developing ray tracing, a technique that simulates path of light, and integrating generative AI by computing 1 pixel and using AI to imagine the surrounding 7 pixels.
For every single pixel we render, we use AI to predict 7 others.
Nvidia achieves stunning visual effects and realism in games. Nvidia, a leading technology company, has a business model that relies on outsourcing the production of its chips to a Taiwan semiconductor manufacturing company, TSMC. This approach helps Nvidia reduce cost and focus on chip design. However, some investors are concerned about the company's dependence on TSMC, especially considering the strained relations between the United States and China. The United States government passed the CHIPS Act to encourage chip companies to manufacture their products within the country. This has raised questions about Nvidia's reliance on TSMC, which operates primarily in Taiwan. The potential impact of strained U.S. China relations and TSMC's role in chip production is a significant concern for Nvidia shareholders and also affects other companies like AMD, Qualcomm, and Intel. To mitigate the risks, TSMC has announced plans to invest $40 billion in building 2 new chip fabrication plants in Arizona, USA. Nvidia CEO Jensen Huang has confirmed that the company intends to manufacture its chips using TSMC Arizona fabs. This move is expected to address concerns about dependence on overseas productions. Apart from geopolitical risks, Nvidia faces challenges related to demand and market dynamics. The company experienced a surge in demand for its graphics processing unit during the crypto mining boom when GPU became essential for cryptocurrency mining. However, when the crypto market collapsed, Nvidia faced an imbalance in supply and demand. This led to gaming cards going out of stock, prices being bid up, and a decline in gaming revenue. Nvidia pricing strategy has also attracted attention. The company raised the prices of its new GPUs significantly compared to previous generations, causing dissatisfaction among gamers. With excess supply and reduced demand, gaming revenue has declined by 46% compared to the previous year. The semiconductor market is experiencing heightened competition as major players in the tech industry, namely Tesla, Apple, Amazon, and Google, are developing their chips for specific purposes. This challenges Nvidia as some of its customers are also its competitors. For instance, Microsoft may create its chips, while Amazon and Google have already done so. To ensure future success, Nvidia must stay ahead of the competition. Despite this challenge, Nvidia CEO Jensen Huang sees competition as a positive influence. He recognizes the urgent need to address the growing demand for computing power in data centers, a significant global issue. Huang encourages companies to accelerate their efforts in promoting sustainable computing practices, regardless of whether they opt for Nvidia solutions or other alternatives. This approach reflects Nvidia's commitment to addressing the market's needs and promoting the greater good. Nvidia is also expanding its presence in other markets. The company is developing autonomous driving technology for companies like Mercedes-Benz and providing systems for robots in Amazon warehouse. Nvidia's technology optimizes the flow of millions of packages in these warehouses. Huang refers to the broad application of Nvidia's technology as the Omniverse, which combines computer graphics, artificial intelligence, robotics, and physics simulations. The company has over 700 customers across various industries. from automotive to logistics to renewable energy, who are adopting and exploring its technology. As we conclude this exciting video, we explored Nvidia's shift from powering games to employing ChatGPT, revolutionizing the tech industry. But that's just the beginning. What impact will this transformation have on the future of artificial intelligence? Will Nvidia's dominance continue, or will new challengers emerge? Share your thoughts, like, subscribe, and comment below with your predictions. Don't miss out on being part of the thrilling conversation.